guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today guys, something absolutely delicious. I'm gonna mix some Italian and Asian. We're gonna make the marinated lamb cutlet. Well, we need few ingredients, but the key this recipe is the marinated. Okay? We need, of course, ask your butcher some nice lamb cutlets, or you can use chops, but cutlets, they are so delicious. Okay? What we need some turmeric, harissa paste. I'm gonna use some cumin seeds, ginger, garlic, and fresh coriander, salt and pepper. Okay? It's very easy, but you have to make. This one is nice to marinate at least hour before. If it's the day before, it's even better. But if you don't have time, just marinate and cook it. We use this, and guys, we start first. It's not in this order, but we put around 2-3 teaspoons of harissa paste. Yeah, later, depend on how many cutlets you're gonna do. 1-2 spoons of turmeric, a pinch of cumin, how much you like. It's nice to use this. And garlic. Watch your finger. Yeah, it is done. Ginger. Give that a little bit freshness and spicy as well. It's gonna be a little bit spicy this, because harissa paste is spicy. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We're growing. Okay. This is enough. Now we chop some coriander. Not too little, because anyway, going here, like that. If we need more, we're gonna put this to be safe. Now salt and pepper, how much you like or ways. So black pepper, and we need a good amount of a nice olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I start with this and we see. And now guys, take your time and make a nice mix. And you have to mix this around 6-7 minutes later, depend if you like more thick or small, yeah, up to you. Okay, now when it's ready, I'm gonna show what the next step. Okay guys, for me it's okay like that. Oh yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that color. Now what we're gonna do? Take your lamb and we gonna marinate, guys. Everything. Put everything on the top. Look at that. Guys, the smell is wow. My partner, wife, Sue, she love it. My gajinka love it. Okay, now hands and guys, mix everything. After this, wash your hands because it's spicy. Don't touch your eyes and stuff like that. Okay, mix very well. Leave at least 10-15 minutes, and later I'm gonna show you the next step. We're gonna cook it. We're gonna grill basically, or if you have a barbecue, well, you can do this in the oven as well. But grill or barbecue give you the maximum. You see? Look, you see, please. Marinate like that. That's it. Leave 10-15 minutes, and I'm gonna show you when we gonna cook it, and the way I can wait to try it. Okay, guys, I left this half an hour. Pan is already on. Very hot. I'm gonna add a very little touch of olive oil, and we go on. 1, how much you can do, 2, This is gonna cook very hot pan. Now, when it's very hot, reduce the flame because, and this is gonna cook around 2.5 minutes per side. Okay? Oh, I'm gonna put another one. Okay, fantastic. Okay? All these guys try to put on is flavor. Try to cook like that, and when I'm gonna turn it, I'm gonna show you the way. But I'm going to do around 2.5 minutes per side. Okay? Okay, guys. I want to let you know that my cutlets they almost ready to turn it. To refreshing and dip it is nice if you like some yogurt, the plain one with fresh mint. Just chop it. I told you today is like some Mediterranean and Asian stuff like that. We like to mix everything. Now, it's mint inside. Mix everything all over. If you like here, you can add a little touch of olive oil. It's done. Guys, job done. We're gonna try this with our lamb. Return. Look. Look at that. Ooh. When it's like that, it's ready, guys, okay? Oh yes. Very nice. Okay. Try to do the possibility because the bones. Absolutely. Wow. Guys, another 2.5 minutes, 3 is ready to try. It's gonna be absolutely how much? Okay guys, my cutlets they're ready. It's already 5 minutes. I turned it off the flame and I left them a little bit just to rest and cook a little bit more. So yeah, it's absolutely wow, beautiful. The smell, guys, in the house. Ooh. Now, what we wanna do, guys? We're gonna try it. Oh yeah, fantastic. Ooh. Yeah, beautiful. It's hot, but I have to do this. Wait. Wow. Absolutely tender, delicious, soft. Wow. I need a little bit more salt, but guys, absolutely stunning, delicious. My Marinated lamb cutlets is this. Beautiful. If you like, pick it up and follow us. Ciao.